Hey everybody, and welcome to another Interstellar Modeler. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and give you a preview of my next build. This is the Bandai 1/2 scale model kit of BB8. Well, hey guys, and thanks again for tuning in. Well, for 2018, what I had in mind to do was one of these three models here. It was either going to be the Colonial Raptor from Battlestar Galactica, we've got the Proteus model back here, or this Master Series X-Wing by Revell. So I still plan on building these, but one model that came unexpectedly to me is the one you see back here, which I'm going to push ahead of the line here. And this is the Star Wars half-scale BB8 model kit from Bandai. My daughter, who lives in Japan, brought it with her for the Christmas holidays as a gift for me, and I was pleasantly surprised to get it and open it on Christmas morning. So I'm eager to get started. First thing I'm going to do is show you what's inside the box. At least that's what I'm going to do on this video. I'm still waiting for a couple things for the model kit. But first step is always to show you what's inside, so let's go ahead and open it up. Well, I thought I'd just begin with showing you the side paneling of the box, which shows you a completed model kit. No doubt it also discusses some features of the model. The model does come with one LED for the eye. It does have accommodations for others. Bandai apparently has some lights available for this kit, which consists of, from what I've seen, two LEDs tied to a battery and a switch. But rather than utilizing that, I'm just going to go ahead and use LEDs like I've used in the past with other model kits. So let's go ahead and open up the box now. Alright, well, first are the instructions. It's nicely detailed, of course, in Japanese, but very straightforward to follow. The battery and light kit that I was telling you about is seen right here. So you can see it's basically a battery pack here with a switch and two LEDs, and these are meant for the dome. On the back side here, we have a completed model. And these are some of the panels here. There are three sections just like this. You can see it comes molded already in a white color. It's really a nice shade of white. As with most Bandai kits, they're already colored, so you don't really need to do any painting. But again, you can see the nice panel lines here, which will be helpful, especially when we are accenting them with some washes. Here are two other pieces that are the same. As I mentioned, there are three of these panels. Okay, and here's this section. You can see the detailing inside. And here we have pieces that go to the upper dome. And these are these gray silver pieces. And this is for the dome here. And these gray and silver pieces, of course, go along the main body. And these here go along the upper dome. And we have these two trees here, which include more pieces for some of the detailing there. And here's this one. And this back here, I'm not going to open up because it does contain the eye. I just don't want to risk scratching it. You can see there's more pieces here, and it looks like it comes with some stickers or decals. And we have two trees that have the orange paneling. They look very similar. Now, I'm not certain exactly how I'm going to proceed with this. What I may do is, because I want to do a chipping effect, I do think it would be more effective to prime them and then paint them silver and then paint them orange again, utilizing a chipping technique. So I think that's the way I'm going to proceed. It's just a matter of trying to find a color that's going to match this. And here we have the base of the dome. And the other pieces that go with the dome as well. And then this is what the stand looks like. It's just a clear stand with the Star Wars logo. And then this tree also has some clear parts as well. And we have some other miscellaneous pieces. These are colored in a clear blue. This is to replicate electricity that's being generated from him, or that shocking effect that he does. This is for the little piece that lights up with a flame. And then we got some other black dark pieces here. And as I said, I may not end up using this, but this is the LED that comes with the model kit. I thought I would just leave it in the package just in case. You can see on the back side of the LED is a compartment for two watch-size batteries. Now these black panels here I'm not going to open up. They're simply just the interior support structure for the model kit. So as you can tell, the model kit's not going to be very complicated to put together. The work really is going to be mainly with the detailing and weathering. So let me show you an example of how great this model kit can look. So this model here was done by modeler Joe Evans. You can see he did an excellent job with weathering and detailing and painting. And also these pictures give you an idea of how screen accurate the model kit appears to be, which doesn't surprise me because Bandai usually does a very good job with releasing kits that are screen accurate. Now if you look on YouTube, there is another video that shows the building of this model kit. It is a speed build video, so as you know, those generally just aren't very descriptive. They just show high-speed video of the model being put together, so don't really tell you a whole lot. But one of the things I did notice that they did use was these solutions here from Tamiya. These are basically panel line accent colors. This is the black one and the brown one here. They utilized the black one for the panel lines, which I thought worked really well and very easy to use. Now, if you've seen some of my recent videos, you've seen that I've utilized the ammo solutions, which are great solutions, but I just thought I would try these just to see how they work out. The other thing they did do was to utilize this solution, which is the brown color. Also is a panel line accent color, but they utilize it as a general wash to give it that dirty brown muddied look. So Joe told me that he utilized a sponge technique for giving you these smudged areas there, which we're going to also utilize here in this build, along with the Tamiya detailing kits. So that pretty much does it for this video. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to contact me here on my YouTube channel or at interstellarmodeler@gmail.com. I'm still awaiting some LEDs to get in for the model kit, so I'm not going to start it just yet, but it should be something I'll start within the next week or so. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.